Welcome to the Math Crew, where we learn new things and grow in mathematics. I'm Miss Nisha, your math teacher. Let's get started. Today we're going to learn how to add decimal numbers. This is an extended practice. If you've seen the mini lesson, this is part 2. However, if you just want one example, you should view the mini lesson on our channel. This is multiple examples. This is extended. All right, pause the video and write your equations. If you haven't already, like, share, and subscribe. We do a lot of great math practices for elementary math. All right, our first equation is 81 and 200ths plus 6 and 1/10. If you have the place value mat, what you're going to do is you're going to simply plug your first add in its correct location. 8's in the 10th place, 1 is in the ones place, the 10th place, 1 is in the ones place, 0 in the 10th, and 2 in the hundredths. If you're on notebook paper, always write the first decimal number. Then, before you write the second one, place the decimal first. So, place that decimal, then it's kind of like matching. So, put the 6 in the ones place and then put the ones in the 10th. But hopefully, you memorize the place value chart. So whether you're thinking about it as matching or not, you should be able to do it. Now, let's continue on our map. Put the 6 in the ones place and the 1 in the 10th place. Now we're going to add our add-ins. But before we do that, we're going to put what's called placeholders. Let's add a 0 here. The reason why placeholders are important is because, in my opinion, it keeps us from making small mistakes. With this skill, sometimes students place the numbers in the wrong location. You don't have them lined up correctly. So that causes you to miss the problem. When you place those placeholders there, it kind of helps you from making mistakes. Now, we can go ahead and add. When you add, you're going to start at the smallest location and then just work your way over. So we're going to start here in the hundreds. 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. And then we just bring down the 8s. Very simple. If you're on notebook paper, 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 1 is 1. Bring that decimal down. Please don't leave the decimal, students. 1 plus 6 is 7. And bring down the 8. Excuse my voice. It's pollen season. And so just bear with me. We had to practice this skill. Now, remember, when we're adding decimals, we want to make sure our decimal is lined up. That is the only way this is going to be correct. Does everyone see how it's lined up? Do we see that? Okay. If you do that and place those placeholders, you should be fine. All right, let's try the second one. 7 and 9400ths plus 2 and 3/10. 7 in the ones, 9, and then the 4. 2 in the ones, and then 3 in the 10s. Again, decimals lined up. You don't have to draw that line. I'm just emphasizing that they're lined up. All right. Let's go ahead and put what goes here. It's a blank. Very good. Hopefully you say a placeholder. 4 plus 0 is 4. 9 plus 3 is 12. 2. Carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. 0 in the ones, bring that 1 over to the tens place, 10. Circle your answers so that your teacher can easily find your work. And if you're on notebook paper again, you just write the first add-in down, put that decimal, and then work it out. All right. Let's do 2 more examples. Pause the video. If I'm going too fast for you, remember you can always pause and continue. All right, our next example is 14 and 73 thousandths plus 3 and 9800. And then the final example is going to be 51 and 5900 plus 36 and 882. When we have two numbers that we're adding together, what are those called? Starts with an A. Hopefully you said add-ins. Very good. We're taking these add-ins, these decimal numbers, and adding them up. All right, let's go ahead and put it in our place value chart. 14073. Then we're going to put the 3, 9, and 8. Now I have a blank, put my 0. Now let's add 3. 7 plus 8 is 15. 5. Carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 0. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 3 is 8. And then this 1 here, just bring it down. And this is your sum. All right. Last one. Now try this one on your own if you haven't yet. Pause the video, solve it, and then hit play to see if you get the same answer that I get after you work it out. We have 51 and 5900 plus 36 and 882. I'm going to put my placeholder. I always start here and work our way over. 0 plus 2 is 2. 9 plus 8 is 17. 7. Carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. Very good. 4. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Hopefully, you have a sum of 88 and 472 thousandths. Remember, the last location says its name. So whatever the last place value is in, that's what you say. It's in the thousands place, 88 and 472 thousandths. All right. We've had great practice today. Subscribe to the channel for our newest videos, and I'll catch you all later in the crew. Bye.